So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to integrate ChatGPT in your Microsoft Excel to increase your productivity and efficiency. So before jumping into the video, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So here I have downloaded a student report card over here, and as you can see there are 4 columns that are blank. So we need to fill these columns with the formulas. So how to do it? We have to first install a software over here and click on OpenAI. So as you can see here, AI aided formula editor, we need to install it. Just click on add and that's it. It's already integrated with the Excel. Now we have to write our query over here, and in responding to that query, the formula will be generated over here. So write it down. So we need to fill this column marks obtained, which means that we need to calculate each subject mark individually. So how to do it? Just write the query over here. So I need to sum up the all subjects. So write sum, then we need to give the cell's name. That is subject 1 is in cell E32. Just write it E32 2, and the last subject is in 32. Just write it in 32 and click on submit. So here you can see the formula is generated already. So select the cell where you want to apply the formula and click on this arrow, and that's it. The formula is generated, and just drag it down in order to copy the formula in the entire column. So next we want to calculate the percentage of each student. So how to do it? So the process is same. Just write the query over here. So as you can see here, the formula is also generated successfully just by giving the query, and it automatically generates the formula for me. Next we have to calculate the grade. So here I am giving the query over here. So let's see, in corresponding to that query, it can generate formula for me or not. So it's currently generated a formula for me. Let's see whether it work or not. Drag it to the down. So you can see it successfully generated formula and the result is correct. And the last column we need to fill is remark. So write the query over here. So I have written the query over here. Let's see it can generate the formula or not. So you can see that it successfully generate a formula for me. Let's see whether it work or not. Just drag it to the down. So and that's it. It's giving me the correct result in corresponding to that formula. And you can also see the explanation over here. So let's say I want to sum of the all subjects. So whatever the query is written over here, it give me the formula for that. So if I want to know what is the meaning of the formula, then just copy the formula and hover it here, and it's loading the explanation for me like this. This Excel formula calculates the sum of the value in the range of cell from dash to dash. So it's pretty awesome if you want to know what the formula is doing in the cell. And you can also uppercase these letters over here that is written in lowercase. So how to do it? Just write the query over here. So write convert capital, give the cell name D32. So it generated the query for me. Now try to insert the query in the last cell. So as you can see here, the smaller case a will be converted to capital letter. So drag it down, and here all the letters are in capital now. Just copy it here, copy the entire column, right click on it and copy. Now select the all columns in the name section and right click on it and paste the value over here. So that's it. That's the whole lot of thing. You can do this kind of thing also using this AI generated formulas. So that's pretty much about it. If you want to increase your efficiency in Microsoft Excel, then you need to install this plugin in order to increase your productivity. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you will never miss any important update like this in the future videos. And if you like this video, also share with your friends. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.